how to redeem Foot Locker gift card online.
So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site www.footlocker.com. Well, you will be landing on the official page of Foot Locker. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, head over to any of the product that you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy these shoes. Tap on it. Now select the size and tap on Add to Cart. Now review the order that you have just made and then click on Checkout. In this page, you have to enter your contact informations and also your shipping address. Then scroll down and over here you'll find the option of gift card. Head over to it. This interface will pop up on your screen. In this section, all you want to do is enter the gift card number and also enter the PIN of the gift card. Once you have entered, tap on Apply. Once you tap on Apply, your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Foot Locker gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.